Probably everybody expected Lawrence to come in and have a red plate for most of the season, except right now it's probably not the one you expected. Coming into High Point, Hunter Lawrence has 119 points, 16 points above his brother who's in third place, and 6 points above Chase Sexton who's in second. And the question becomes, how well does he handle this? I mean, he is obviously a very talented guy on a factory bike, deserves it, Red Bull athlete, everything. He's not slow, he's not, you know, uh somebody who's being dragged along. But you have to expect after all this time, being the older brother, but also being slower than your younger brother, watching him win all his titles already and kind of jump past you pretty quickly. Now the question is, how does he handle this pressure? I mean, I don't think he's going to fold and be, finishing 22nd. That's not what I'm saying. But it's the thing of, can he, one, continue to run out front, take podiums, take wins, you know, earn or continue to earn the points that he needs to. And two, if his brother is healthy and starts racing him hard, can he, one, keep him behind, two, race him hard as if he was anybody else, and three, just continue this season? I mean, if he beats his brother, he beats Chase Sexton, he beats, Justin Cooper and wins this 450 title outdoors, it's going to prove that he is a legitimate contender overall. He's not the second rider to his brother. He's not, the afterthought Lawrence, whatever. But so I'm asking you guys, question below. How well do you think he does in High Point? Obviously, that's the race coming up today. This is getting posted. Two, how do you think he does for the rest of the year? Does he continue to keep this red plate? Does Jet Lawrence get, healthy and just blow past him and continue to dominate? Or maybe Sexton wins a few more rounds. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. I want to hear, like I said, this race overall, and what do you think of the 250s? Deegan's in front, obviously, with Hymus and Vial 23 points back each. So tell me what you think. 450s, 250s, whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because that really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.